Hi everyone, welcome to this nail tutorial. Today I'm gonna be doing some what the heck, some colorful nails. This is the nude shade that I'm starting with my nails. It is so freaking pretty. I got it at Amazon and look at this color, so nice. Every time I do somebody's nails, they love this color. So yeah, y'all go get it. It's on Amazon. I'll put it down in the description box, and I'm gonna start off by doing some Frenchies. So first, this is how I do them, okay? This is how it works for me. I like to start off by drawing a line in the center of the nail, and that's how thick I want the white part to be, if you know what I mean. And then I start from the outer part and curve it all the way to that line. So I, how do you say it, put it together. I like connect the dots. What's the word that I need here? Well, this is how I do it. This is how it works for me. I just connect them together, and then here I'm just fixing the lines because they're a little crooked. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I start shading it in. You can also use the brush on the nail polish. You don't have to do it like strokes like how I am doing it. You can just go in with the brush to be faster, but I like to do it like this. It's a little satisfying. I like it. Voila, we are done. So yeah, I'm doing this to all my nails, and I just love how it looks like this. It looks so clean, but we're gonna add some color, okay? So here I'm adding the green. I'm just using a regular eyeshadow palette. I think I'm using the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette. But first, I did apply some matte top coat on the white part only, just so the shadow can stay. So here I'm adding the yellow, and then on the other nails I'm gonna add yellow as well, and then pink, I believe. I don't remember what other colors. But yeah, this is just how I do it, how it's easier for me. And then on the other nail I'm also gonna do pink. So whatever color I use on the outer part, I use on the other nail. And then I think it's purple, and then purple I use it on the other nail as well, only half of it. And yeah, and this one is green, but it looks yellow. But this is how they came out. It looks so pretty. And then I apply some glossy top coat, and here I'm gonna go in with this gel polish that I use. It's a little thicker, and this is the one I use to apply, to glue on the rhinestones. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm just doing little swirly lines, just freestyling it. I don't really like how this one came out, but we're just gonna go with it. But yeah, girlies, I hope you guys like this video. I really love how these nails came out. So yeah, go ahead and try it out. Do it on your clients, do it on yourself. Y'all got this. So easy to do. And see you on my next video. Bye.